This is Tesla Model 3 new Highland instrument cluster 8.8-inch from Hansshow. It has Apple CarPlay and much more. To install this display is very simple. Remove the actual dash trim itself. This dash trim can be lifted up with the pry tool provided. Then go into the main display. Under safety, power off the vehicle. Open the side trim on the passenger side, front seats, with the pry tool. Remove the door trim rubber stripping and you lift this up from the front A pillar to the B pillar. Pop up the door sill from the passenger side, lift it up and now remove the wireless phone charger by lifting the bottom up and pulling straight towards the center console. You want to unplug the wire that connects to this wireless charger. Use the harness number 2 labeled on the top right of the screen and connect the male end into the female end of the car wires that you just unplugged. Once you connect this, and then you will fish the other end of this harness through the center console to the front passenger side. So just using your hands, you will be able to reach from behind of the wireless phone charger to the trim of the center console, through the trim and pull it along the other side where your footwells is located. And using your hands to pull enough so you have enough slack to still be able to plug in the other end, the male end, back into your actual wireless phone charger and reattach and install the phone charger back onto your center console. Make sure there's no wire tangle behind the clips and press in, and that is done. Now moving on to harness 3. Harness 3 is where you plug this into your Tesla vehicle. The plug is located on the A pillar where earlier you removed the door sill. You plug this into the gray female adapter, and the other end, plug this yellow wire to the yellow wire that you pull and fish through that center console. That was wire harness 2. Once you install this wire harness 2 into wire harness 3, and once you have the wires connected, clean it up, fish the wires through the dash, so from the bottom of the actual footwell near the passenger side, up through the dash, and run it along the dash to the driver's seat where the display will sit. And take your time with this. It does require a little patience, but taping the end of the wires to a fishing harness will get you across the actual trim. And connect the red wires and black wires to the actual display itself. Set the display right in front of the actual trim that you removed earlier and clean up the wires. Push it along the actual trim itself, and then finally plug it into the actual module. So the small male and the larger male connects to the rear of this computer module. And that is it. This is a new 8.8-inch display that allows you to utilize Apple CarPlay and see all the instrument cluster that you didn't have without the actual display itself. So everything you see on the main display can now be accessible on the 8.8 instrument cluster. So again, link in the description of this video if you're interested in this product. Check it out. Limited time on the discount, so make sure you enter in that promo code, also available in the description of this video. The high definition quality of this display is what makes it stand out amongst the others. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch y'all next time.